What if I told you, the one 3D printer on this list can print objects bigger than your fridge? Dramatic pause. 3D printing is evolving faster than ever, and in 2025, these machines are breaking all limits. From budget beasts to industrial monsters, I've tested them all, and one of them might change manufacturing forever. Want the best deals? All links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 1. Original Prusa Mini Plus. The original Prusa Mini Plus is an open-frame 3D printer with a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters. If you settle on getting the DIY kit, you have to set it up and have the printer run a self-test to ensure all is in order before you can use the device. And then the printer requires that you perform a first-layer calibration to make sure the nozzle is at the right height from the build plate to properly deliver molten filament. This calibration is much easier said than done and can be a trial and error process. So, unlike pre-assembled machines, the original Prusa Mini Plus does require some tinkering and tweaking before you can enjoy the satisfaction of admiring your first print. Evidently, this hasn't been lost on the manufacturers, as they very helpfully include a small packet of gummy bears to treat yourself to upon completion of certain steps in the manual. Taking notes, IKEA? Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer supports a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second, 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. The speed has been greatly improved while maintaining the printing quality, saving 73% of the time compared with other printers. Powerful Sprite Direct Extruder Ender 3v3 SE is the upgrade of Ender 3, Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3 V2 Neo, Ender 3 S1, Ender 3 S1 Pro etc. 3D printer. Comes with the new upgraded Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Direct Extruder, more powerful extruder pushing force and lightweight. The extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping. Works extremely well in printing filaments like PLA, TPU, PETG, etc. And the extruder is market-proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Number 3. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K Resin 3D Printer. Featuring a 7-inch mono LCD with 9K ultra-high resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution, the Mars 5 Ultra ensures the faithful reproduction of every intricate detail with stunning fidelity and breathtaking textures, bringing your visions to life with impeccable precision. Blazing fast speed with tilt release innovation. Boasting a blazing fast speed of up to 150 mm per hour, the Mars 5 Ultra leaves competitors in the dust. Its revolutionary tilt release technology enables swift model peeling from the release film, ensuring lightning-fast printing without compromising on detail, accuracy, or reliability. Seamlessly switch between the fast and slow print modes, unlocking unmatched flexibility and efficiency. Number 4. Original Prusa MK4S 3D Printer. With automatic calibration, always perfect first layer, one-click printing, and many other useful features, the MK4S is the best choice for your home, workshop, or company. All print profiles and configurations are in-house tested, ensuring that the MK4S effortlessly delivers top-quality 3D prints at a press of a single button from the very start. With automatic calibration, one-click printing, and an always perfect first layer, the MK4S is the best entry into the world of 3D printing. Its open design, the result of more than 10 years of evolution, ensures easy maintenance, upgradability, and great accessibility. Plus, a detailed handbook guides you through every aspect of the MK4S. When you get the assembled printer, simply take it out of the box, plug it in, and once it finishes the automatic calibration, you can start printing right away. Number 5. Dremel 3D45-01 DigiLab 3D45 award-winning 3D printer. PC Mag 2018 Editor's Choice Award in Google for Education Partner, Dremel 3D45 3D Printer Kit. Easily removable glass build plate heated up to 100 degrees Celsius and all metal 0. 4 mm nozzle heated up to 280 degrees Celsius. Windows requirement: Windows, 7.8.8.1.10. Mac requirement: Mac OS X version 10.9. 5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons for easy setup and operation. Go from unboxing to your first print in less than 15 minutes. Fully enclosed sturdy plastic design with a 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches build volume for better prints, better safety and less chance for warping. A carbon filter and particulate filter are built in as well. So, which 3D printer would you buy? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, it helps more than you think. Want more mind-blowing tech reviews? Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, I'm revealing a 3D printer that works in space. Rocket. All purchase links below. Stay innovative, my friends.